We checked how to create custom roles.
Okay. So for recap, yesterday we had seen this the role customization of a new role, and something we are working with this auto provision roles team, right? The part of that yesterday we created one of the employee against a user and associated with that user, the employee to the user team. Now we'll try to add some automatic roles with that, the person type as an employee in the condition. So for that, just navigate to setup and maintenance. This is global search. Here, search with manage, I did not remember. Let's auto provision. Auto provision. So there is a task team, manage role provisioning rules team. There is a task, manage role provisioning rules. So by using this, we can create, automatic rules team. These are role mappings. Click on the new. So this is the condition: a legal employer, business unit, department, job, position, grade, location, legislative data groups, assignment type, system person type, user person, and so on so team. By using these conditions, right, you map the roles to the user. Okay? Something TL47 rule. I may use some end date as well here. This is the end date you may use team. Here the role end date will come into picture. Something, the system person type, just use an employee team. And the user person type also employee. And what are the roles you are going to be added here? Click on the associated roles. Something project roles we will try to add it. Project accountant. Project billing specialist. This is project create an abstract one. There are three roles we are trying to add, which is system person type as an employee team. So nothing but whenever a person is created within the Fusion application, a person is created and the person type is an employee team. When you're trying to create a person, the person type will be used as a mandatory, right? Either employee or the contingent worker, contract employee, CWK. If it is an employee, right, these roles can automatically add it to the user whenever an employee is successfully created team. The way, if there are 100 users are joined with an employee, right, further 100 users, these are the default roles will be added to the users. The way you will get all the access to the application, which is the default one, is a common one stream across all. Save and close. So once the role mapping gets created, how this role mapping will be executed? So there are two ways, team. One is there is a standard ESS job that will be scheduled in the real-time production environment, real-time instance within the production environment, right? That will be scheduled a specific frequency, depends on the user creation stream, the user's value. Okay, the higher an employee value, this is tools, schedule process, schedule new process. Yeah, there's a task auto provision. So auto provision roles for all the users team. Click on OK. Evaluates an enterprise role mapping definitions and creates the role request for users according to specified criteria. So whichever you create the role mapping definitions, it will try to execute it based on the criteria. Click on OK and submitting. That's it. So this ESS job will be scheduled a specific frequency. So based on the status, if it is succeeded, right, the roles get whichever role we created, right? That will be execute, and set of roles can be added to the user wherever system person type is an employee. Okay. So this is the one way. The next you may add as a manual team. Tools, security console. The users. This is what team 47. Here, edit. So there is a button team. Add auto provision roles. Add auto provision roles. Okay. When you click on this button, right, you may see auto provision roles gets added to the user, whichever you added. As of it did not added anything. Our ESS job is still running. When you click on this button, right, add auto provision roles, you may see set of roles can be added to the UC. Couple of checkboxes are enabled now. See, there are a number of rules get defined in this system. You may see many roles team here being added. So in that we added project creator, project building specialist, something project roles. Save and is about auto provision roles team. Now assignable. What is assignable team? Some of the roles is indicating as yes, some of the roles indicating as no. So what is assignable? So this is nothing but a vacation rules team. Vacation rules. So within the on-premise also you may use the vacation rules, right? Your manager is on vacation is 1 week. You may delegate the manager activities to some other user team, some other user. Yeah, Ruchika, go ahead.
Hi, sir. I joined today. Like I missed a couple of classes. So I just wanted to understand, just little bit of background. And I hope this is the fusion class, right? It's not
Yeah.
SCA.
It's a fusion technical class, this is.
Yeah. Okay. So can
You
you
may
just
go
tell
ahead.
me?
As of now, we done with this is third session.
Okay.
We started the security for the fusion application, how to create the user and the user roles and hope you are from EBS background.
Yeah, I am from EBS.
Okay, how many years of experience you are holding?
I'm around 4 year. I have
4 years.
total
Okay.
experience. I have 13 year.
Okay,
But in
no issues. So, however, they are creating the users and the responsibilities, right, within the on-premise or 12.
No, actually, okay. So sorry. I am actually not worked on on-premise. I only worked on cloud for integrations module.
Only integrations.
Yeah.
No problem. So within the to learn the right for an integrations again we need the fusion aspects also, right? The BIP
Yeah.
reports, FBAs and HDS. No problem.
Correct.
As of now, we are covered this security topic, and today is the last day for the security.
Okay.
Today is the third session. So you may go back at these sessions and follow the same. If you have any doubts, let me know the next week.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. This assignable team. If your manager is on a vacation, right? This role may delegate to your some other user behalf of team to your manager, and that the new user will perform the manager related activities in that specific duration team. The start date, end date we need to be provided, and the timesheet approval, so and so. And you may directly delegate the timesheet approval process, payroll approval process, so and so delegate to some other users team. The way there are two delegation processes available with the Fusion application, which is a role delegation and approval delegation team. There are two delegations, role and approval delegations. Those will be used with assignable as yes team. If the role code is indicating as assignable as yes, role name is indicating as a yes, nothing but this role and this role related approval process, you may delegate to some other users team. So click on the edit. If it is not indicating as yes, right? You may enable over wherever you want it. By default, a standard role can be indicate, and the abstract roles we cannot assign to some other roles team. Mostly the job roles we will assign to some other users in a specific duration team. Okay, so wherever assignable is yes, these roles we will be see within the delegation screen team. Within the roles and delegation screen, there we will be see these roles where the assignable is indicating as yes against the user. Now save and close. Click on the done. Just get an idea, team, how it works. Okay, do not put efforts for this, for the practice. Just get some idea. Click on the personal information. Here you have the roles and delegations. You have roles and delegations. Click on the same. Let's see whether we have an access or not for our TL47 user. It's need more supporting roles to be enabled to get an access that screen team. If it is open, well and good. Yeah, open. Oh, we logged with Jyoti.32, right? Not the TL47. No issues. Save. So this is a roles team. Now it is saying this user Jyoti.32 user has these many roles which is assignable is indicating as yes team on the user screen. Now we have the role delegations and the approval delegation. There are two delegations are there. These roles you may delegate to some other user team. Now the role delegations, click on the add role name team. So whichever these, right, you may use asset accountant and start date and end date delegated to some other user team. For example, TL47 hours team. Save it. Now the TL47 user can perform asset accountant related activities behalf of Jyoti.32 user for this one day. Similarly, approval delegations. Mostly will be used this approval delegations real time, especially for the timesheet approval team. So always the managers will be busy writing with their activities. So one of the team member may perform the timesheet approvals behalf of your manager within the team. So click on the add. This is TL47 timesheet approval, start date and the end date and category. So this is approval process team, absence plan balance, users approval, learning incident, something talent, manager approvals, time and labor. This is your timesheet approval team, time and labor, and delegated to some other user. Okay, there is the end date. The way you may go for role delegations team. Team, any doubts, any clarifications? I'm done with security.
Vijay, this role delegation you are saying, is it like if I don't have that particular role, but someone delegated role to me that it will get assigned to my user, right? Is it?
No, the role can be available, right? The role can be available, but the user is not available in that period.
No,
You may
but,
perform.
let's say you have some particular role delegated to me.
Yes.
But, so that role will get assigned to me, my user, right? For
Yes.
that particular time.
Yes, for that particular duration. Yes, for the specific one day. Now the role gets added to you.
Okay, thank you. And one more thing, actually, I was just trying to get that ESS jobs.
Yep.
Is there only from security console I can run this job, or there is other way also?
The ESS job we had submitted from tool schedule process, right?
Yeah, schedule process only, tools only, right?
Tool
No other.
schedule process only.
Yeah, so not specific to the any order management or inventory responsibility.
No. All the ESS jobs should be submitted from scheduled process only. Okay. Later on, we may submit this schedule ESS jobs from background as well by using web service and REST APIs and so on. Okay. Other stream, any doubts? Move on to the next topic, which is the BIP reports. Team, Hope everyone clear the roles and the role aspects. Shubhan, go ahead.
Yeah, Vijay. So just I would like to discuss one point. So is it possible to note down all the topics and subtopics in Notepad? So
Only be noted in the first session itself. Just visit the old sessions, Shubhan. Okay. If you new
I'm following all the sessions, but just maybe
already team we listed, right?
Sorry.
No, just I'm asking the team. Team we listed, right?
We have
The topic name
Yes,
Yes.
and the sequence and the hour.
yeah. Probably Subham is maybe what is asking, but we have listed the highlights of the topics
Yes.
in detail.
What is the sequence we are going to be used? How many hours it will be take? Already we listed the
No,
ideas.
no, I'm not talking about that sequence. So that I have already the document I have.
Okay.
So whenever, so suppose just today we started the security or this session, right? So when we are going to discuss any topic, so just if you can note down all these topics and subtopic of the today's agenda, so then maybe so we'll get more clarity.
Going to
Just I'm
be
getting confusion when moving from
why
one.
we are getting Shubhan. I am giving the context, right? What I'm going to be start within the today itself.
Yeah,
Before starting the context itself, I'm giving some insight, right? For example, secure for this auto provision. I'm not directly jumping with auto provision. I'm giving some context before that. Why we are using the auto provision? What is the purpose of that? What is the use case for that? I'm going to be implement that, right?
yeah. So that is I'm clear. Just I'm saying. So suppose what are the mandatory steps we need to follow so that we can maybe note down in the notepad so that we can get clarity whenever again when we watch the video. Just I'm thinking.
I need to prepare each and everything, Shubhan.
No, while explaining itself only just I'm thinking.
No, yeah, it will take more and more, time for the writing itself. Wherever it's required, I'm going to be right. See, for example, the reporting, right? Now I'm going to open the notepad. I will write each and every line. For FBA process, within the notepad, I will be write each and everything, line by line. These security and console just go for, high level, not for the depth, for the practice. Okay? Okay. Team, next. Any
And
doubt?
Vijay, do we have material for this? Like, or else like we only have this
For
video?
security console, there is no material. You need to be follow the sessions. For rest
Okay.
of the topics, right? We have.
Okay.
Rest of the topics, wherever it is applicable, yes, I prepared couple of those, some white papers, some supporting documents, some, my previous experience documents are available in our G Drive, which is a folder wise in our G Drive. Just try to get it. Okay. Right.
Sure.
Okay. Team others. Okay. Any previous members are their team? Previous batch members within the list?
Yes, sir. Ananya.
Ananya, next. Others team. Yugender, you are the previous or that is new batch member?
I'm new batch member.
Others team.
Yeah, I am also previous
I'm
batch.
from previous batch.
Manisai, Ananya, and next to Chinna Adaya. You are also previous?
No, I'm new batch.
Okay, Divya.
I'm new one.
Okay, as of now, 2 members I got the list. So these are the experienced people for us. They will give you the answer, whichever you want. And any non-EBS guys are there in the list team. Non-EBS. Ruchika, go ahead.
Yeah, so I had a silly question actually. So how do we actually get in touch with these people who have already joined earlier and we
There's
need
a
any
WhatsApp group we are maintaining. You will be at
Oh.
the list very soon.
Oh,
There are
thank you so
100 plus people are there along with these people. If you have any doubts, any clarification, just post the questions over there. I will be also available. If anyone will not respond, I will try to give a response. Still, if you are getting the doubts, right, if you really practice, send an email to me. I will respond.
Sure.
For it. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Any non-EBS guys are there team in this list? Non-EBS. Bhavani. Next. Bhavani, you are non-EBS? They are not able to hear you.
I'm also non-EBS.
I am also.
Sai Vinith.
EBS. Yeah.
Whoever from non-EBS, you are comfortable with SQL, right? SQL.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. These non-EBS guys, especially from today onwards, this VIP topic onwards, you need to be focused more and more, team. Focus more and more, and you need to be practice, which is very, very in detail. It's not at all possible to catch the session within the 1 hour, especially for non-EBS guys. You need to be watch the video again after the class and try to give a practice and do the documentation, team, from your end. From today onwards for the BAP reports. You have a dedication practice if you want to be crack this team. Without practice, it's waste of efforts, team. I'm openly saying. It's a waste of efforts without practice. Because it's a complete technical team. It's a technical, it's not a functional. Whereas the functional screen to screen, now it's a technical team. If you have the good base, right, you may work anything, team. If you do not have any good basics, you are a big circle. Again, I'm saying you are a big circle. You don't know what you are doing. Okay, try to allocate some time for a day, especially for non-EBS guys. If you're working some other right somewhere, at least for a day, allocate 1 hour to listen the video again, team. At least for this batch, just follow the session. That's it. For the next batch, try to practice, team. Okay. And let me know if you feel anywhere sounds a keyword you are not able to understand when I'm using something, right? I will try to elaborate some other way, team. Not only for you, for everyone, team. Okay. Do not sit idle. Please be in front of system, team. Please be in front of system. It's yours. You paid the money to for your career, team. For everyone, a single rupee is the most important. Okay, just use the service and try to learn the subject, team. Okay, now the reporting category, team, the BAP reports. As I said, Oracle is one of the independent product or OBI application, team. Oracle is one of the independent product, OBIW. You may heard about this, right, team, when you're working with on-premise systems. So
Yes.
the OBI application is integrated with our Fusion application, team. It's integrated with our Fusion application. This you may ignore, Krishna, no issues. Okay. It's a practice instance, right? You may ignore that. Okay. The OBI application is responsible to develop OTBI reports, team. Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence. Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, which is for OTBI reports. There is no SQL for OTBI reports. Just you can drag and drop the columns from the respective subject areas that we will see later. For the same application, what Oracle did to develop our BAP reports, team. The OBI application has been enhanced to develop BAP reports, team. Same as our on-premise XML reports. The BAP reports will come into picture to use your SQL statement, team. There are n number of tables, transactional tables, and based on the client requirement, you need to write the SQL statement, pull the data from the transactional tables, and visualize the data on the paper. Okay. For that purpose, we will use the BAP reports, team. We call Business Intelligence Publisher reports, and the way here reports and analytics, team. Reports is nothing but BAP reports. Analytics is nothing but your OTBI reports, team. Pavan Kumar, do you have anything? Please mute yourself, team. We are getting the background echoes. If something you need, right, just unmute and talk again, mute yourself. Requesting everyone, team. We are getting the background echoes. Okay. The way there are two reporting categories here, team reports and analytics. This will be connected as independent within the browser team. Click on the same. So it's open the browse one more screen, reports and analytics. Here you may find all your reports and run the reports team. Now click on the browse catalog. This is your real, the actual reporting screen where you can develop, where you can create BAP reports and the OTB reports and the reports repository, followed by the standard reports, standard OTBIs, BIPs, custom OTBIs, custom BA.
Hello.
Hello. I think
Looks like
seems
we
to be
lost
lost to Vijay, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. We lost.
think you can join again.
Power outage.